There is a lot of misinformation about dowsing out there.
Here are my top 6 things to know to become better at dowsing.
Number 1. Drink plenty of water. Our body consists of more than 70% water, and that water circulates in our bodies. If you are not well hydrated, your body may not be balanced, and it won't resonate well with what you're searching for. Number 2. Dowsing can be subjective sometimes. Clear your mind. This includes your attachment to finding what you're looking for. You need to be objective and let the resonance occur naturally. Number 3. Allow your body to move freely without tension. When holding the dowsing rods, spread your arms apart from your body to allow the subtle muscle contraction to reflect on the rods without you controlling it. If you lock your arms, you may affect the results. Number 4. Dowsing is a phenomenon of physics that works with the principle of resonance. Do not listen to the superstitious explanation where you think you have superpower. Number 5. Anyone can learn dowsing, so enjoy the process and take your time to learn. Number 6. There is nothing special about the dowsing rods itself. Some people think if they buy the more expensive rods or rods made from special metals, it will give them better results. The reality is, you don't need expensive rods. Find a good quality calibrated rods at a reasonable price, or make your own if you have the right tools. You can watch my other videos about how to make your own dowsing rods or dowsing pendulum. Thanks for watching.